Bafana Bafana will be among the first African teams to benefit from the FIFA Series International Friendlies pilot project, which will be rolled out later this month. FIFA, the international governing body of football, will facilitate inter-confederation friendlies during the match window. Algeria, Azerbaijan, Saudi Arabia, and Sri Lanka will host the first pilot project matches. The initiative aims to provide a member association with playing opportunities. The FIFA president Gianni Infantino said that the objective is to help raise the level of play in countries outside soccer's power bases of Europe and South America and make World Cup more competitive. There will also be an effort to accelerate the progress of national teams who rarely play outside their continent. Some will have the travel cost paid by FIFA. The pilot project will run from March 18 to 26 and feature national teams from all 6 confederations. The FIFA series is really positive step forward for national team football at the global level. Infantino said the FIFA series is a really positive step forward for national team football at the global level. Our member associations have been telling us for a long time now of their desire to test themselves against their counterparts from all around the world, and now they can do so within the current men's international match calendar. More meaningful matches will enable far more valuable footballing interaction for players, teams, and fans, and will make a concrete contribution to the development of the game. Bafana Bafana is one of the 3 teams that will be hosted by Algeria CAF for the FIFA series. The other teams are Andorra and Bolivia. Bafana Bafana will play small European country Andorra on Thursday, March 21, and Algeria on Tuesday, March 26 at the Nelson Mandela Stadium. Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Bros has named a 32-man preliminary squad for the 2 matches. The team will have a camp ahead of the international friendlies, and it will be the first time that the Belgian will reunite with his team since clinching a bronze medal at the 2023 AFCON in Ivory Coast. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.